Yep.
Look what we have created. This is an 8-picket Ferris wheel. And it actually turns so that if you want one plant up front for a day or the other one needs a little more shade, you can turn it. So this is from the side. And we put a floor in, but we did not make the floor solid. We just kind of layered them in there to help keep the weeds down. People can put like a weed barrier under there if they want, and it would be well hidden. And again, it bends all the way around. My fake plants are kind of getting in the way. And then go ahead and film all the way around it. And again, this is an 8-picket Ferris wheel planter. So just wanted to share with you guys our latest and greatest. Good afternoon, P50 Pets.